Right now I'm shooting with the Sony a7C and the 20mm 1.8 lens. Look how big the Burj Khalifa is. You can't even capture it with a 20mm lens. Really like crazy. Look at that! This is the new GoPro Hero 10 Black, and even with this right now, it's actually difficult to get the bush on there. We are shooting at 5.3K, so you can only get the wide lens. Let me actually switch to 4K. This is actually insane. Even the super view has difficulties showing the full Burj Khalifa while we're here vlogging. Think about that. You know how wide a GoPro lens is, right? It's like insanely wide. It's criminally wide. It's sometimes not even nice to shoot like that. And this thing can't get the Burj Khalifa in there. That just shows how big this thing is. What's up people, it's your camera boy Jona, and today I'm going to show you the quality of the new GoPro Hero 10. I'm here in an awesome place in Dubai. So you'll see a bit of the GoPro Hero 10 and a bit of Dubai at the same time. By the way, this is the reality of vlogging, me waiting for all these people to go so I could take that one epic shot for you guys. I mean, look at this place. It looks like I'm straight out of an Aladdin movie. I'm like looking around whether the monkey of Aladdin is gonna find me and gonna snatch my jewelry or something. Let's now compare it to the GoPro Hero 9. Hello GoPro Hero 9. Hello GoPro Hero 10.
Hi Jona.
Oh wow, it even talks back. Damn, that's technology. And by the way, if you ever thought that vlogging was awkward, well, try it with two cameras at the same time. It doesn't improve, I can tell you that. It does actually help that it's GoPros and they're just so fun and small to vlog with. That's one of the plus sides that I would say about GoPro. It's fun, it's accessible, the settings are easy. So even if the quality is a little less good than, for example, now this $3,000 camera setup here, it's worth it, you know. It's like, you can't have it. Look how small it is. Like, look at my GoPro goggles, guys. Currently I'm shooting both GoPros at ISO 1600. Now I'm not gonna do a full low light test here because I did a separate one. I'll link it here or you can find it on my channel. Check it out, but here's already a little preview of what 1600 looks with both cameras. Very curious if it became better here. Actually, I already know. I did another review. Check it out. See you also there. Let's switch to the good old POV style because that's actually what GoPro is so awesome for. And right now we're at 4K in super view. Look how amazing and insane this place is. Let's switch it up now to 5.3K. Here we are now at 5.3K. This setting doesn't have the super view, it's just a wide angle lens. So, you know, you have a little less of this POV effect, but still pretty cool, pretty insane. Quick reminder to like and subscribe for me doing the effort of showing you guys some cool places while showing the new GoPro. Right now we're at a place called La Mer Beach. It's a very cool hipster vibe here in Dubai, and I want to test out the audio here on the GoPros. So let's go to the beach where the audio usually is a bit worse and test out how the audio performs on the new GoPro. Okay, so I'm here at the beach, and that's usually where the audio is sometimes a bit worse. You have the waves, you have the winds, you know. I'll turn around a little bit so you guys can hear a little bit of the sounds coming from everywhere. I'll compare the GoPro 9 and 10, but another thing that I want to do is show you some other options if you really want to improve your audio. This is the GoPro Hero 10 with nothing on there, just the audio straight from the camera. I hope it's like quite okay. I have to say the wind and the waves are not too huge at the moment. But let's now turn on the Media Mod. Right now I'm shooting with the Media Mod. I have to say the wind picked up a little bit. I'm gonna turn around a little bit for you guys so you can hear the waves in the background. Here just the wind in general. I'm very curious myself, to be honest, to see if this Media Mod was worth it. It has this little dead cat also, so I'm very curious how much that is gonna like eliminate that wind noise that you usually have on the beach. Media Mod also allows you to plug in a microphone. It's actually a bit funny, you see the dead cat from the microphone here waving. So yeah, if you use this, maybe you need a little extension just not to have the dead cat in your frame all the time. Very curious now to see how this eliminates the wind noise. I have to say again, it picked up a bit. So, you know, this comparison might be a little hard because the wind noise is really better now. So if this microphone performs better than the original audio and the audio before that you saw with the Media Mod alone without a microphone on it, then for sure this is just way better quality for the audio for your GoPro. I always felt like the GoPro was lacking a little bit, but now with the Media Mod and so easy to attach a microphone on it, that might be solved for you. So fun walking around here on the beach with my little camera setup. And yeah, not too worried about getting sand on it because I just know that it can handle it. Obviously the Media Mod isn't waterproof, so we can't test that. Keep that in mind, you know, you can't use this in the water if you that's mainly what you want to do, shoot in the water. Not gonna lie, I am crazy impressed right now. They said that this lens has some special stuff so that water will not stick on it. I shot a clip in 240 frames per second going through the water, and look how the water just bounces off the lens. Like, honestly, I thought that this was just like a commercial stunt, you know, they always have this weird feature that's gonna change the game. I didn't think too much about it, but damn, when I saw that clip in slow motion, I think you can agree that that's some weird magic that they get going on with this lens coating here. I literally bought this GoPro yesterday, and it's not a sponsored video, so I paid for it myself. Like and subscribe for me tossing this GoPro in the air and seeing what comes out of it. It's honestly not so interesting, but was fun to try. And this is obviously one of the most awesome things about the GoPro. POV, baby. Look at all the traffic here downstairs, and boom, we are here chilling at this amazing thing, watching the bush. One thing that almost no video mentions is how the footage looks inside. And this is where I always felt that the GoPro was kind of weird, to be honest. Not so cool when there's like lights in the background, artificial lights indoors. This is now a quick comparison. Keep in mind the camera that you see right now is $3,000 in total with the lens. The GoPro obviously is somewhat around $500. Huge difference. So yeah, I don't know if it's gonna make any comparison at all. Would be pretty sad, to be honest, if the GoPro crushes this. But now let's do something maybe more important, and that's compare the GoPro Hero 10 versus the old GoPro Hero 9. So yeah, I'm really curious to see if the GoPro Hero 10 is any better than the GoPro Hero 9. I'm shooting them both at the same time, so I can make a nice little split screen for you guys to see. Obviously, in general, you will shoot them outside, since they're more like action cameras, and action usually happens outside. Still, you know, if you want to vlog with it or something, you're gonna shoot a lot of stuff inside. Oh my god, the water is super nice, guys. For this last test in the water, I wanted to show you a cool place, but look guys, it's ruins. I have no clue why they decided to build another hotel in front of one of the iconic places in Dubai. Let's just forget about it, enjoy the sunset, and test what I want to test here, which is the no filter for this lens. They say that it's a special coating, so it should like repel water much more than the other one. When you go under the water, sometimes you have this water droplets on your GoPro, and it's really annoying. And after you come home, and there was this water bubble covering everything. So, is it better with the GoPro Hero 10? I have to say, this water here in Dubai right now, amazing. Not gonna lie, man, I love it, guys. I love it. By the way, follow me on Instagram, Jona.Vagabond, for a free Lightroom preset. DM me free set on Instagram. Follow me, and you'll have a cool way to edit all of your photos.